Welcome to Vietnam, a country rich in history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. In today's video, we're counting down the 15 top places to visit in this beautiful country. From ancient temples to breathtaking natural wonders, each destination has a unique story waiting for you. Let's embark on this incredible journey together. 15. Hoi An Ancient Town. Nestled on the central coast of Vietnam, Hoi An is a place where time seems to stand still. Starting our countdown is Hoi An, a UNESCO World Heritage Site renowned for its well-preserved ancient town. This historic town offers a glimpse into the past with its narrow streets, traditional wooden houses, and ancient temples. With its lantern-lit streets and charming architecture, Hoi An is a blend of Vietnamese, Chinese, and French influences. The town's unique cultural heritage is reflected in its architecture, cuisine, and local traditions, making it a fascinating destination for history enthusiasts and culture lovers alike. Don't miss the opportunity to try the local specialties like Chao Lao noodles. These noodles are a must-try, made with a unique recipe that includes water from the ancient Bala well. Wander through the bustling food markets and vibrant streets to discover a variety of local delicacies that will tantalize your taste buds. As the sun sets, the town transforms into a magical wonderland with colorful lanterns illuminating the riverfront. Take a boat ride along the Thu Ban River to experience the enchanting beauty of Hoi An at night. The night market is also a must-visit, offering a plethora of handmade crafts, souvenirs, and street food. Hoi An is not just about its historical charm, it is also a hub of vibrant cultural activities. Enjoy traditional performances, participate in local festivals, and watch skilled artisans at work. Whether you're exploring its rich history or indulging in its culinary delights, Hoi An promises an unforgettable experience. 14. Cu Chi Tunnels. Just outside Ho Chi Minh City, the Cu Chi Tunnels offer a glimpse into Vietnam's wartime history. This vast network of underground tunnels was used by the Viet Cong during the Vietnam War. A guided tour provides fascinating insights into the resilience and ingenuity of the Vietnamese people. 13. Ho Chi Minh City, also known as Saigon. Vietnam's largest city, Ho Chi Minh City, is a vibrant metropolis that beautifully blends tradition and modernity. Explore the historic Saigon Notre Dame Basilica, visit the War Remnants Museum, and indulge in the city's street food scene. Don't miss the pho and banh mi. Phong Nha, Ke Bang National Park, located in the Quang Binh province of Vietnam, is a true natural wonder. Spanning over 885 square kilometers, this park is a treasure trove of biodiversity and geological marvels. Home to some of the world's largest caves, including the famous Sun Dong Cave, which is so vast it has its own weather system and jungle inside. This cave alone attracts adventurers and scientists from all over the globe, eager to explore its depths and uncover its secrets. Phong Nha, Ke Bang, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site for a reason. Its unique karst landscapes, formed over 400 million years, are among the oldest in Asia. The park's rich history and geological significance make it a must-visit destination for anyone interested in natural history. Go spelunking or take a boat ride through the stunning underground rivers. The park offers a variety of activities for thrill seekers and casual tourists alike. Imagine navigating through dark, mysterious caves, with only the light of your headlamp guiding the way, or gliding silently on a boat through an underground river, surrounded by towering cave walls. The park's lush landscapes are perfect for adventurers and nature lovers. With its dense forests, diverse wildlife, and breathtaking scenery, Phong Nha, Ke Bang provides endless opportunities for hiking, birdwatching, and photography. Whether you're an experienced hiker or just looking for a peaceful retreat in nature, this park has something for everyone. Ninh Binh. Known as Ha Long Bay on land, Ninh Binh features breathtaking karst landscapes, rice paddies, and tranquil waterways. Take a boat tour through Tam Kok and explore the ancient capital of Hoa Lu. The stunning scenery will leave you speechless. Hanoi. Vietnam's capital, Hanoi, is a city steeped in history. Visit the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, wander around Hoan Kiem Lake, and explore the bustling Old Quarter. With its rich culture, street food stalls, and vibrant markets, Hanoi is a feast for the senses. 9. Sapa. Nestled in the mountains, Sapa is famous for its stunning rice terraces and ethnic diversity. Trek through the hills, visit local villages, and experience the vibrant culture of the Hmong and Dao people. The views of the terraced fields are absolutely breathtaking. 8. Ha Long Bay. No visit to Vietnam is complete without a trip to Ha Long Bay. With its emerald waters and thousands of limestone islands, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is perfect for cruising, kayaking, or simply relaxing on a boat. The sunset views are nothing short of magical. 7. Hue. Once the imperial capital, Hue is known for its historic architecture and rich cultural heritage. Visit the Imperial City, a UNESCO site, and explore ancient tombs of the Nguyen emperors. Hue is also famous for its traditional cuisine, so be sure to try some local dishes. 6. My Sun Sanctuary. A lesser-known gem, the My Sun Sanctuary is an archaeological site featuring ancient Hindu temples. Dating back to the 4th century, these ruins offer a glimpse into the Cham civilization. The lush jungle surroundings add to the mystical atmosphere. 5. Phu Quoc Island. For beach lovers, Phu Quoc is paradise. With its white sandy beaches and crystal clear waters, this island is perfect for relaxation, snorkeling, and diving. Explore the local markets and try fresh seafood for a taste of island life. 4. Dalat. Known as the City of Eternal Spring, Dalat boasts a cooler climate and beautiful flower gardens. Explore the charming French colonial architecture, visit the Crazy House, and take a ride on the scenic Dalat cable car. The local coffee here is also a must-try. 3. Mekong Delta. Experience the vibrant life of the Mekong Delta, where you can explore floating markets, lush landscapes, and traditional villages. Take a boat tour through the canals, taste local fruits, and learn about the unique culture of the river communities. Part of the Ha Long Bay archipelago, Cat Bay Island offers stunning landscapes and outdoor adventures. Hike in Cat Bay National Park, relax on beautiful beaches, or take a boat trip to explore the nearby islands. It's an ideal destination for nature lovers. Finally, at the top of our list is Giang Province, known for its rugged mountains and breathtaking landscapes. Explore the stunning Dong Van Karst Plateau, meet the ethnic minorities, and take a motorbike tour along the scenic loops. It's an off-the-beaten-path adventure that will leave you in awe. And there you have it, the 15 top places to visit in Vietnam. Each destination offers a unique blend of history, culture, and natural beauty, making Vietnam a must-visit for every traveler. If you're planning your trip, here's a recommended itinerary to help you make the most of your time in Vietnam. This itinerary covers a range of destinations, from bustling cities to serene landscapes, ensuring you experience the diverse beauty and culture of the country. Day 1 and 2, Hanoi. Start your journey in the capital city, Hanoi. Explore the historic Old Quarter, visit the Hoan Kiem Lake, and don't miss the Temple of Literature. Enjoy the vibrant street food scene and perhaps catch a traditional water puppet show in the evening. Day 3, Ninh Binh. Head to Ninh Binh, often referred to as Ha Long Bay on land. Take a boat ride through the stunning Tam Coc or Trang An landscapes and visit the impressive Bai Dien Pagoda, one of the largest temple complexes in Vietnam. Day 4 and 5, Ha Long Bay. Embark on a cruise through the emerald waters of Ha Long Bay, dotted with limestone karsts. Enjoy activities like kayaking, cave exploring, and relaxing on the deck. Day 6, Hue. Travel to Hue, the former imperial capital, explore the imperial city, Thien Mu Pagoda, and take a boat ride on the Perfume River. Day 7, Hoi An. Discover the charm of Hoi An Ancient Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Wander through its lantern-lit streets, visit the Japanese Bridge, and enjoy a cooking class to learn about Vietnamese cuisine. Day 8, My Sun Sanctuary. Take a day trip to My Son Sanctuary, another UNESCO World Heritage Site. Explore the ancient Hindu temples and learn about the Champa civilization that built them. Day 9 and 10, Ho Chi Minh City and Cu Chi Tunnels. In Ho Chi Minh City, visit landmarks like the Notre Dame Cathedral Basilica, the War Remnants Museum, and Ben Thon Market. Take a day trip to the Cu Chi Tunnels to learn about the Vietnam War and experience the underground network used by Viet Cong soldiers. Day 11, Mekong Delta. Explore the Mekong Delta, known for its lush landscapes and vibrant floating markets. Take a boat tour to see the local way of life, visit fruit orchards, and enjoy the tranquil scenery. Day 12 and 13, Phu Quoc Island, or Sapa. Choose between relaxing on the pristine beaches of Phu Quoc Island or trekking through the terraced rice fields of Sapa. Both destinations offer unique experiences, whether it's beachside relaxation or cultural immersion with ethnic minority groups. Day 14, Dalat. Head to Dalat, known for its cool climate and beautiful flower gardens. Explore the French colonial architecture and enjoy the scenic landscapes. Day 15, Giang Province. Conclude your journey in Giang Province, famous for its rugged mountains and ethnic minority villages. Take a motorbike tour through the breathtaking landscapes and experience the local culture up close. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Vietnam. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Vietnamese destinations in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.